Despite ills such as pollution, climate change, ecological disasters, and the destruction of many wild places, Earth is a beautiful place. The world has a whole lot of jaw-dropping places. Catch a glimpse of the most amazing destinations across the globe, and you'll feel a fresh wave of inspiration washing over you. There's so much to see that one lifetime won't be enough to experience all the amazing places in the world. Every country offers some amazing places in the world worth seeing, and the time required to absorb all the beauty is painfully long. In this video, we're going to tell you the top 10 amazing places to visit in the world. Number 10. El Yunque National Forest, Puerto Rico. The only rainforest within the U.S. National Forest System receives annual fluvial precipitation of almost 400 billion liters of rain. El Yunque National Forest is one of Puerto Rico's most famous natural attractions and is often visited on a tour from San Juan. Spread along the Loquillo Mountains, including Pico El Yunque National Forest is home to the only tropical rainforest in the national U.S. forest system. The climate here is considerably cooler than along the coast and at lower elevations, and is noticeably wetter. El Yunque's peak reaches 3,500 feet above sea level, and the forest covers 43 square miles, including 3/4 of the island's remaining virgin forest. El Yunque National Forest was severely damaged by the back-to-back hurricanes in 2017. Repair and recovery have been slow, but the park is starting to recover. The main highlights in El Yunque National Forest include Yokahu Tower, Bano Grande, La Coca Falls, Bano de Oro, and La Mina Falls. Number 9. Banff National Park, Canada. Banff National Park is one of Canada's great national treasures, attracting millions of visitors every year. This amazing national park is a perfect retreat for people tired of the hustle and bustle of everyday life and is located in the heart of the Rocky Mountains. The park offers a variety of outdoor activities, including hours of ski treks, biking and hiking trails, kayaking lakes, and camping spaces amidst the most breathtaking mountains in the world. You can reach the Banff National Park in under 90 minutes, and the route itself is spectacular, allowing tourists an incredible view of the snow-tipped mountains as soon as you leave the city. If you want to extend your time there, the Fairmont Chateau Lake Louise is a luxurious place to spend the night at. One of the biggest highlights that you absolutely must not miss is Lake Louise. The unspoiled turquoise crystal clear lake is surrounded by stunning snow-capped mountains and is extremely selfie-worthy. Number 8. Pamukkale, Turkey. If you like ancient ruins and natural wonders of the world, you cannot afford to miss Pamukkale. It looks like a picture drawn from one of our dreams. Pamukkale is one of the most spectacular natural landscapes in the world, considering to be a real pearl of Turkey. This special place full of mystery and romance is indeed one of the best destinations, attracting more and more tourists each year. Pamukkale is a natural site in the Menderes River Valley in Denizli Province, which offers the city a mild climate throughout the year. The water in the area is thermal and contains hydrogen and calcium, allowing once again tourism to flourish. The landscape here is absolutely spectacular. In time, due to various tectonic movements, nature has created here a fascinating view, which reveals the famous limestone bathrooms that were shaped by earthquakes, creating a real kingdom of imposing stairs. Subsequently, water covered the area between these stairs and dug in the limestone, forming small craters. The Pamukkale travertine terraces, once visited, will definitely blow your mind. This mesmerizing place is located in the south-central Aegean region of Turkey. Number 7. Tamil Nadu, India. The state of Tamil Nadu and Chennai is one of India's most spiritual regions, with many exquisite Hindu temples and ruins. Nearby is the busy Marina Beach, the second longest urban beach in the world, a hectic stretch of land complete with a market and its own lighthouse. In the region of Milapur in Chennai, you can find the wonderful Hindu Kapalishwarar temple. It's dedicated to Lord Shiva with an incredible rainbow-colored tower, with a large pool within its walls. At the nearby San Thome Cathedral, you can attend Mass and visit the tomb of St. Thomas, the Apostle that resides there. Number 6. Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu needs no introduction. This wonder of the planet attracts over 1 million visitors every year and has become so famous. The government recently had to introduce restrictions on the number of entrances allowed per day. The ruins, daintily perched atop the flattened peak of a mountain in the Andes, deliver archaeological and natural beauty. For a view few people receive, grab a ticket to High Huayna Picchu, the peak behind the ruins, and take it in form of a second perspective. Number 5. Hide and Seek Beach, Orissa. Hide and Seek Beach is located in Orissa. Here, the sea disappears and reappears again miraculously. as it plays with you is an unbelievable experience that will leave you in the wonder of the mystery of nature. One of nature's truly amazing works is at this beach, how the sea recedes up to 5 kilometers and then comes back with a high tide to fill the emptiness. The hide-and-seek beach gives us the opportunity to look deep into the actual seafloor. When you walk on this beach, when the sea has receded, only your feet get drowned in the shallow water and get surrounded by wet sand. So if you take a picture from above, it looks as if you're walking on water. Number 4. Emerald ice on Baikal Lake, Russia. Baikal Lake in southern Siberia remains covered with ice for around 5 months, January to May, a year. The temperature is -0 every winter. When other lakes and rivers froze long before in the year, still resists ice formation. But when Baikal Lake starts freezing at the beginning of January, the lake stays frozen from January to May for almost 5 months. The lake freezes over, but the water of the lake is so clear that from the surface, you can see an amazing 140 feet below you. Transparent and glowing in an ultramarine color, these masses of broken ice look like small pieces of glass rising into the sky. Number 3. Tianzi Mountain, China. In China, one of the most attractive tourist destinations is Tianzi Mountain. The beauty of the mountains conjures the souls of the visitors. The beautiful Tianzi Mountain region makes out a bright triangle of visitor attractions along with Suxi Valley and Zhangjiajil Forest Park. The amazing landscapes of Tianzi Mountains is popular for the bunch of natural pillars made up of eroded rocks. The Tianzi Mountains, which control the landscape of the stone pillars, rises 1,265 meters above sea level and provides more than 100 observation decks to explore nature's beautiful work of art. Number 2. Iguazu Falls, Argentina. The best time for visiting is the rainy season between November and March, when the water flow peaked at 13,000 cubic meters per second. The largest waterfall in the world, the Iguazu Falls are a sight to behold. Stretched across 3 countries, the main falls are between Brazil and Argentina. You can fly into Foz do Iguaçu IGU airport from most Brazilian cities and stay on the Brazilian side and take easy taxi trips across to the Argentinian side to make sure you get to see the various sides of the falls. On average, around 1,505 cubic meters of water flows down the falls every second. Reportedly, that's enough to fill 5 Olympic swimming pools in just 1 second. It was breathtaking. Number 1. Miho no Masturbara, Japan. Miho no Masturbara Beach is worthy of a visit to Japan. Most visitors spend the day hiking through a pine forest, walking along its shores, kayaking or canoeing. The main reason people travel, though, is for the incredible view. Mount Fuji rises in the distance, offering beachgoers unsurpassable vistas, especially during sunset. Miho no Matsubara Beach is part of the Mount Fuji UNESCO World Heritage Site and is one of the most photographed areas in the world. The beach runs over 4 kilometers on the Miho Peninsula near Shizuoka and lies along Surga Bay. It's lined by thousands of towering pine trees, each a part of the Miho no Matsubara Pine Grove. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Video.